Hi, in this video we will see how to throw an exception in code. So for that we will see a code sample. So we create a class example. So inside the main method we will have a try block, and we can have a system.out.println, and we print inside try block. Okay. So now we create a exception. So we create null pointer exception, null pointer exception np equal to new null pointer exception. Now we can throw this exception. We can, through using code, we can throw the exception manually. So how to do that? So you have to use the class throw. So throw np. So here we are throwing the exception. Okay. Now we can use a catch block to catch that. So we have a catch block, null pointer exception, and inside the catch block we can have a system.out.println to print the text. Okay, so we print inside catch block. So in this code we manually throw the exception. So we created the exception at line number 10, and we are throwing exception using throw class. Okay, so this is how we can throw an exception manually using code. Now we can run this code and see the output. See, inside try block is printed and the control goes to catch block. So inside catch block also printed. See, if we have a system.out.println after this line, after the line number 13, it will not be printed, because at line number 13 we are throwing that exception. So the exception is thrown, so control will go to the catch block. So the line number 14 will not be printed. So it will not be printed. Okay. So this is because this is unreachable code. So what is the fix for that? So this says that the compiler says that it is unreachable code, because here we are throwing the exception manually. So we know that this will not be executed. So it says unreachable code. To solve this issue, what we can do is we can have a if condition here. If true, then throw new exception. Conditionally we are throwing exception. So we are using this trick to silence the compiler. Okay, so now we can run this code. You can see, since we throw exception at line number 14, line number 15 will not be executed. We will get only the code system.out.println inside the catch block will be executed, as previously we have seen. Okay, let us run this code again and see the output now. See, inside try block is printed, inside catch block is printed. This is because we throw the exception manually.